So the first one, Navaratna choker, is around 23,000 approximately with beads. More than that. It's around 23,000 approximately with beads. You can see the complete look, and if you can take the screenshot if you like it. And the second one, this is with changeable stone, and you get around 2 to 3 changeable stones, because I have to check if the stones are fitting properly or not, and based on that I can provide you update. But definitely red and green will work. So this is around 21,000 with changeable earrings, and the pearls are around 2 lines. These pearls are precious ones. This is 13,000.
13,600.
This one is around 13,600. The beads are precious beads. Okay, these are precious emeralds, round beads. In the pendant, you can see. This is around 13,600. If you like, you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp on our WhatsApp message. So this is something peacock design, peacock with multicolor stone design. So we have given emerald and ruby beads to this. Rubies are of round shape and the emeralds are of oval shape. This comes around 20,000, including beads. All the beads are precious ones. So coming to the coral one, this is around 33,000, including the beads. You have got 9 pendants of Lakshmi Devi. Later on, you can take out the pendants and use for single black beads or something. I mean, you design bore gottesindi anukunte, you can take out and redesign something with those pieces. So next is these are real pearls. You can see the difference between these pearls and these pearls. So the carving stone is real and the beads are real. In manam pearl, we have given pearl and emerald combination, and it has got a beautiful jhumkas at the bottom. So this with pearls is completely around 24 to 25,000. This complete piece is of 24 to 25,000. Next, this is one more pendant. It has got a pearl and gutta pusalu combination with emerald. At the bottom there is also emerald drops. To that we have given gutta pusalu. So it has 2 lines of pearls, and this price is around 21,000. The quality of the pearls that we used in this are one more higher quality than this one. So next, these are the earrings, orange shade gomedikam kind of color. So it was around 10,500, 10,200. So this is one choker, single choker in stock. So అందుకే కొంచెం usually 6,000 అలా ఉంటుంది. So beads cost we are removing for this almost. So ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి 5,600. So who wants, you can WhatsApp as soon as possible, because only single piece మాత్రమే available ఉంది. And jhumkas, you can see the jhumkas, they are very pretty. So you'll get completely 4 ఇవి వస్తాయి, 2 red and 2 green you'll get. So these are around 18,000. So whatever I am showing today, all are single pieces. So this is the set you'll be getting completely. So these are around 18,000. So next, this one with this choker with earrings. This choker with earrings వచ్చేసి మనకి 36,000 అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా పడుతుంది. సో ఇట్స్ ఆఫ్ how many grams? It's of 9.2 grams with earrings and choker. So this pearl will get it fixed and sent to you. So you can use as Statcom Chandbali. Even the Chandbali has options of detachable, so that you can remove and place some other drops if you have. So next, the last item. So this is blue pumpkin beads. many of them asked us regarding the blue availability, but we thought it's not available, and we have told many of them that's not available. So if you need this, it's readily available. It's in our stock box, so we could not check it. So this is around 42,000 with earrings. So this is of royal blue kind of blue. It's very good blue. అంటే మనకి పట్టు sarees ఉంటాయి కదా, mostly that kind of blue it comes. So this is almost matching, almost not same but almost matching. So I hope I covered all the items. That's it only. Yeah. So if you like something, you can take the screenshot and ping us. But we are getting so many queries, so కొంచెం delay అయితే ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం కాదు చాలానే delay ఉంటుంది. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are not going to do any lives. Mostly ఎల్లుండి చేస్తామేమో, but not compulsory. So Saturday, Sunday, please do remember, we are going to have beautiful collection, in budget collection, small earrings, small black beads, everything that we are going to show you. And immediately మీకు బుక్ కావాలి అన్నా కూడా you can just send your last 4 digits or 5 digits of your contact number, so that immediately we can get it blocked on your name. But definitely తీసుకుంటా అంటేనే అలా చేయండి, because that's very difficult process for us in this situation especially, because తీసుకుంటా అని మళ్ళీ అది మీకంతా చేసేసి మళ్ళీ ప్రాబ్లం అయింది. సో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఐ విల్ షేర్ యూ ద డీటెయిల్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అండ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు గ్రాబ్ దోస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గివ్ అవేస్. అది కూడా మేము చెప్తాము, ఏమైతే గివ్ అవేస్ ఇస్తామో. సాటర్డే సండే బోత్ ద డేస్, సాటర్డే కొన్ని చేస్తాం, సండే కొన్ని చేస్తాం. బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్టడ్స్ కొన్ని, బ్లాక్ బీడ్స్ అయితే బడ్జెట్లో ఇన్ బడ్జెట్లో చూపిస్తాము, చాలా వరకు ట్రై చేస్తాము. ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిగ్ అవుట్ ఆల్ ద స్టాక్ నౌ. సో డిగ్ చేసి ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో కొన్ని చాలా పీసెస్ ఏమైనా బీడ్స్కి ఇవ్వాలి అన్న కూడా ఈ 2 డేస్లో అవంతా చేపించేసుకొని we will do it. Yeah. So thank you everyone for joining. Bye bye, take care.